So this is the second part of the video, and I'm going to show you how to attach everything together. I'm going to show you how to attach them together in this video. So, as I told you, as we did in the last video, we finished the first one, we made all the rows, we did it with all the rows. This is the first one. Now, I have the second one, and I finished the last row. I didn't make it. I finished with the row before the last one. I finished, still have the last row. And as you can see, wait, I tell you how to finish it, because this one is not. So this is the row before the last one. And we made the 6 chains and the single crochet, double crochet. Now we're going to finish here. And we finish this row with 3 chains. And we make a treble in here. That is how we finish the row before the last one. Now we're going to start the last row. And we start with 8 chains, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We go here, we make a single crochet, double crochet, 6 chains, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We go here and we make a single crochet, another 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We go here and we make a single crochet, another 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we arrived here. So we have to make here 4 trebles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're going to start attaching the 2 together. We made 13 chains. So we're going to make, first we make 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We take this one. You make sure that it's on the right side facing you. Make sure that the right side is facing you. We go here where we made the 13 and we make a slip stitch, a single crochet, sorry. Another 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We go in the next one here and we make 4 trebles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. We go here in the next one. Make sure that it's always like this. The right side is facing over here. We go here in the first one, we make a single crochet and another 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. We go in the next one here, in this one now, and we make a single crochet, another 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. And we go in the next one here. We make a single crochet or a double crochet, another 3, 1, 2, and 3. And we go in the next one here. Another 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. We find the next one here and we make a single crochet, another 3, 1, 2 and 3. We find the next one here and we make a single crochet, another 3, 1, 2 and 3. We go here in the next one and we make a single crochet, other 3, 1, 2 and 3. We go in the next one, we make a single crochet, other 3, 1, 2 and 3. We go in the next one here, and we make a single crochet, another 3, 1, 2 and 3. We find the next one here, we make a single crochet, other 3, 1, 2 and 3. We find the next one here, we make a single crochet. This thread, then afterwards I will put it all inside, another 3, 1, 2 and 3. We go in the next one, we make a single crochet, another 3, 1, 2 and 3. The next one here, the thread, leave it out, then we put it in with the needle, another 3, 1, 2 and 3. We arrived here, so here we have to make 4 trebles, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now 6 chains, 1, 2, because here we have to make 13, but first we make 6, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We go here in the big one, single crochet and another 6, 1, 2, 3, sorry, there is, I don't know if this ever happened to you, I think it did. So we go here, we do a single crochet and another 6 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We go here and we do a single crochet. So these two, as you can see, are attached together. Now here we continue like we did before, 6 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and a single crochet here. You continue like we did here, always making 6 chains. When you arrive here you make 4 trebles here, 13 chains and 4 trebles here, and again 6 chains with a single crochet or double crochet in each one of these. When you arrive in this corner again, here you make 4 trebles, 13 chains and another 4 trebles here, and you continue until you finish it. I have just shown you how we attach them. Then you continue with the last row like I showed you before, 6 chains, single crochet in each one of them. Here where we have the corner, 4 treble, 13 chains, 13 trebles, 4 trebles, 13 chains, 4 trebles here. Then 6 chains with a single crochet or double crochet in each one of them. This corner we do the same like we did here and here, and you continue like that. So these two are attached. Now I made the third one. I finished the row before the last one. It's ready. And we're going to start the last row. We start with 8 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We go here and we do a single crochet or double crochet, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's the same like we did the second one, this one. We attach it the same way. Another 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We go in the next one another 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We arrived here, and as you know, when we arrive here we have to make 4 trebles. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We're going to attach it to here. Always the right side facing you, then you turn it like this. So the right side facing you, then you turn it like this, and we do a single crochet or double crochet. Another 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And here we're going to make another 4 trebles. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we're going to start with 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. We go in the next one here, in this one, and we do a single crochet or double crochet. Other 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. And we go in the next one here, from one side to the other. 1, 2 and 3. Now we go to the next one, single crochet or double crochet. Another 3. And now in this one we make 1 in one and 1 in the other. Another 3. 1, 2 and 3. 2 and 3. And we go in the next one, another 3. 1, 2 and 3. And this one now. Make sure that you don't skip any one of these. 1, 2, 3, because it won't come right. And the next one, and we make another 3. 1, 2 and 3. And we go in the next one, another 3. 1, 2 and 3. Now in this one, another 3. 1, 2 and 3. Find the next one, another 3. 1, 2 and 3. We find this one, another 3. 1, 2 and 3. And this one here, another 3. 1, 2 and 3. We go here, another 3. 1, 2 and 3. Now we arrived here and here in this one here, so we make 4 trebles. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now, so here we attached it, we arrived here, as you can see. So we made the 6 chains. Now we arrived here, we go here in the middle here, and we do a single crochet or double crochet, and another 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and here we arrived here, we make 4 trebles. 1, 2, 3, sorry, there is, I don't know from where these are coming, from my hair. I think, I don't know if this ever happened to you. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now we attached the other one, as you can see. Now we continue like before. We continue like we did the last row. Always 6 chains. Now we continue with 6 chains. Then you make a single crochet or double crochet in all of these. Now we continue with 6 chains, not with 3. And a single crochet or double crochet in these. When you arrive here, again, 4 trebles, 13 chains, you make 13 chains, and 4 trebles here. And you continue with 6 chains all around, and a single crochet or double crochet in these here. And that there we have 3 already attached. Now we're attaching the last one. I did here, I started like I did the others. I attached them like I did the others. Now I arrived here where I made the 4 trebles here, 6 chains. Now we have to attach here in the middle. We go here in the middle, here in the middle here, and we do a single crochet or double crochet. Another 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and we continue all around. Here we do the trebles, 4 trebles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now here we have to continue attaching. Over here we have to continue attaching. You can see the middle is like that. We have to continue attaching this part here, like we did here with 3 chains. You make 3 chains and you do a single crochet, 1, 2, and 3. You go in the next one here, you do a single crochet, double crochet, another 3, 1, 2, and 3, and you go over here and you continue attaching like I showed you the others with 3 chains. You continue attaching, and then when you attach this part here, you continue with 6 chains. Here you do 4 trebles, 6 chains, a single crochet here, another 6 chains and 3 trebles, and 4 trebles here or double crochet, and then you continue with 6. You continue all around like that. So this is how they come when you attach them together. As you can see, the 4 of them, you can make it 6 if you want, 2 here, or you can make them more. But here, in this one, I showed you in 4, how to attach 4. In the next video, the 3rd one, I'm going to show you how to do the border. So in the 3rd video, I will show you how to do the border. So bye for now.